Ah, that was so much fun. My buddy David's car is running so strong. Came around me, just tiptoed around me, man. That is a strong running car. Awesome race all the way down the track. Good job, my friend. He got me. It took him the whole track, but he finally got me. I love it. All right, so it's showing an indicated 10.2 at 134. It's probably a high 10.2. Felt like I hit it pretty hard out of the hole, but just not quite as hard as I've done in the past. But we got to get the slip, so that's what we're up to right now. Anyway, tail of the tape, 250 to 60, 560 to 100, 66 in the 8th, 107 is what it's indicating with a 10.2 in the quarter at an indicated 134. And I mean, it was tight going all the way down the track. What an awesome race. He probably spun. His car is actually a lot faster than that, but let's see how we managed. Thank you, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Ha! 1029 at 130 is what it's indicating. 152, 60 foot. Now we gotta have to get better than that. So yeah, she's running hard. I love it. Another 10.2 for your girl Revlon.